Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the DROCON Cyclone. This is the X708W, I believe, because it has the Wi-Fi FPV. And you can see here the transmitter looks a lot like the ones from the MJX line, except it doesn't have the labels on the buttons for some reason. And this one does not have altitude hold, just regular, just fly it. And the camera is like a pinhole camera, so probably not a wide field of view on this one. I don't believe this is a clone of an MJX product because I don't recognize this drone, but it's a brushed drone, not brushless like a lot of the MJX ones. But it just have the Wi-Fi FPV back to your phone. There's a little phone holder here. So we'll get a little video, fly it around, and check it out, see how it flies, and see what the video is like. I think it's 720p. I don't remember actually. What does it say here? Yeah, I'm not 100% sure if it's 720p video or not, but I guess we'll find out when it's recording, and I'll have that on the screen as well. So it looks like there's no Wi-Fi signal coming out of the drone, so apparently the camera is just decoration because apparently there's no way to get the video back to an SD card or to your phone, so I'm just going to fly a line of sight then. Seems easy enough to fly. This is probably the first rate. Let's see if I can change the rate here. Nope. Doesn't seem to change the rate either. Alright, so that's the rate. So now this is the second rate. Definitely got more pitch angle. It's a lot faster. Pretty good yaw. Much better than the first rate. So apparently there's just second rate and first rate only. No third rate. Yeah, this is back to the first rate. I think I prefer to fly it on the second rate. It's a little bit more controllable for us non-beginners. It's kind of unfortunate that there's no Wi-Fi signal coming out. I'm not sure what's going on with that. It looks like a little camera, but I'm not sure what's going on. I have the app on my phone, searching for the Wi-Fi from the drone, but no Wi-Fi. It's either this is not the non-Wi-Fi version that I was sent, or the Wi-Fi doesn't work on it. So we're just limited to line of sight. Typical. This is a geared, brushed 1S. The battery in there is like a 550 milliamp hour 1S. Nothing too different or really all that special about this one, but it flies pretty well. We'll have to get to the bottom of the whole why there's a camera in there when there's no Wi-Fi coming out of it. But I mean, it's just strange because usually I've never had one where the Wi-Fi didn't work, so there's a first time for everything, I suppose. Alright, let's see if we can do some funnels here. Slow funnels. This is a pretty docile flyer. I think this should be fine for a first timer. It doesn't seem like it'll be too easy to crash. Flight time seems to be pretty long, actually, not bad. There aren't too many lights on here, so it's kind of, at least when you're looking at it from the top, but the bottom has some lights, I think. Let's see here, let's bring it closer. I don't believe that they're flashing or anything. Yeah, there's some orange lights on the back and some blue lights on the front for orientation. But you can't see those when you're coming towards yourself like that. I think I'm starting to get to the end of the battery here. When you push forward like that, the drone tends to drop altitude. You can go pretty high. It's not too windy today, so it's a good time to fly something like this. Right into the sun. That's about the top speed right there. Oh yeah, pretty docile flyer. Not too bad. A little bit of a wind, but it's pretty stable. Let's see if I can show you how stable that is here. I'm totally hands off. There's a wind coming this way. Now it's going that way. But very stable. I think the battery is starting to run out. Yeah, it's very stable. I haven't trimmed this at all either, so I like the way it flies. I don't know why the Wi-Fi doesn't work, but it kind of sucks. Not that these Wi-Fi cameras are going to be all that great anyway, but we'll have to I guess I'll have to find out what I actually got. I'm not really 100% sure, but yeah, there you go. We'll land it. Yeah, so there you go. It's the DROCON X708W, I believe. I can't remember the name, but it's not too big, pretty easy to fly. If you want to fly at a park like I just did now, I think it's good for beginners. I have no idea why it has a camera when the Wi-Fi doesn't work, and there's no SD card slot on here anywhere. But I think this is some sort of I think it's maybe a subsidiary of MJX, because it's got the same kind of transmitter, the same software and everything, same phone holder. But yeah, not exactly sure what's up with that. Flies well though, and pretty stable. So if you're looking for a beginner drone, definitely would check this out. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. Talk to you guys later.